Good morning, all. This week's lab learning, I have my Jocko Go can here from a couple weeks ago, and we're going to talk about sleeved cans. So big three things to remember, at least to start with on sleeved cans. First, it's a sleeve. It's applied via a heat process, and that can lead to some waviness or some wiggle with the artwork. This one, as you can see, is pretty crisp, but if you do see some waviness to it when you're running your own cans, don't be alarmed. It's fairly common and not a big deal. Second thing is, if this was a white background instead of black, you can get what we call the wet t-shirt look, which is where either in production or pasteurization, the water, the condensation on the can shows through as kind of water under the sleeve. Again, not the end of the world, doesn't mean there's a quality issue, it just kind of is the nature of the beast. And finally, you wanna make sure that the sleeve is just under the lip of the can. This one is close, but they did it well, it's not leaking, because if it's too high, it can cause seaming and leaking issues. So those are three things to keep in mind, and that's your lab learning for the week.